Hi everyone, this is Bharti and welcome to day 7 of the Pranayama Challenge. We are already 1 week through, so I really hope you have been enjoying the practices so far. Do let me know your experience. So once you are ready, let's gently hop onto the mat and get going. Let us start by coming into an easy cross-legged sitting position. Ground your sit bones into your cushion or yoga mat. Elongate the spine, roll the shoulders back. Bring the hands in chin mudra on the knees and gently close your eyes. And let's start taking a few normal breaths. Observe the cool air entering your nostrils, goes through the throat into your lungs, and then back from your chest, through the throat, out through the nostrils. Let's start today's practice by repeating the following affirmation 3 times in our mind. I will carry nothing but kindness and love in my heart today. We are going to start the practice with an Om chant. Take a deep breath in. We'll start the practice with deep yogic breathing. Let's start taking a few deep breaths. With the next inhalation, feel your belly expanding out, followed by the chest and the collarbones. As you exhale, the collarbones soften, followed by the chest and the belly. Inhale deeply, expanding the belly, chest and collarbones. Exhale completely, collarbones soften, followed by the chest and the belly. Let's do this 3 more times. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Last time. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Now we are going to do Kapalbhati Pranayama. Today we are going to do 3 rounds and we'll keep adding 10 pumps to each round. So the first round will be 30 pumps, then 40 and then 50. So let's start. Straighten your spine, bring the hands in chin mudra on the knees. Take a breath in and out to prepare for Kapalbhati. and let's start. And relax. Let's prepare for round 2. We'll do 40 pumps now. Take a breath in and out. And relax. Feel free to take a small sip of water in between the rounds if you feel any irritation in your throat. And let's start round 3 with 50 pumps. Take a breath in and out. And relax. Next, we are going to do Chandra Bhedi Pranayama. Our right nostril refers to the Pingla Nadi and the left nostril refers to Ida Nadi. In Chandra Bhedi Pranayama, we activate the Ida Nadi by always inhaling from the left side and exhaling from the right side. This is a cooling pranayama and it's great for relieving stress and anxiety. So bring your right hand in Vishnu Mudra and close the right nostril. We are going to inhale from the left. 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale right. 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, inhale left. 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale right. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's do 3 more of these. Inhale left. Exhale right. Inhale left. Exhale right. Last time, inhale left. Exhale right. Bring the right hand down and take a couple of normal breaths. Next, we are going to do Anulom Vilom Pranayama. Today, we are going to do 1:1:1 ratio, which means we are going to inhale for a count of 4, hold the breath internally for a count of 4, and exhale for the count of 4. So let's start. Close the right nostril with the right thumb. Take a breath in and out through the left nostril. And let's start. Inhale left, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale right, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale right, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale left, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale left, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale right, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale right, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale left, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep going on. Last round. Bring the right hand down and take a couple of normal breaths. We are going to end with 5 rounds of Bhramari Pranayama. Bring both the hands up on either sides of the ears. Close the ears with the thumbs and gently place the fingers over the eyelids. Take a deep breath in. Slowly bring the hands down, keeping your eyes closed. We are going to end the practice with 3 Om chants. Take a deep breath in. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Slowly bring the hands to heart center and let's start rubbing the palms to create heat in the palms. Gently place the palms over your eyelids and feel the healing heat of the palms through the eyelids. Slowly bring the hands down and open your eyes. Hope you enjoyed today's practice. I'll see you tomorrow. Till then, take care and bye-bye.